sana.
Hi guys, today I will present to you what is UAV survey. Unmanned aerial photogrammetry survey, or often known as UAV survey, is the use of UAV, or normally referred to drone, to take photos for use in photogrammetry, which is defined as the science of making measurements from photograph. The process of this survey is suitable for geodetic survey at site by creating point clouds of measurements of nearly homogeneous quality and accuracy. By using suitable computer software, these point clouds can be then converted into useful CAD drawings with proper coordinates assigned to them based on the control point setup before carrying out surveying works. Now, let's discuss why we carry out drone surveying. This type of survey are normally carried out at hard terrain, which is very hard to reach places. By using this method, this survey can be carried out faster, safer and less labor intensive and much cheaper. Some of the surveying works that can be carried out are like roof inspection, bridge surveying and etc. By using suitable method and cameras, other surveying works can also be carried out using drone surveying, including thermal surveys for the detection of leakage at roof or skyscrapers. Depending on the number of control points established and the quality of the drone and the camera itself, the accuracy of drone survey can go up to 10mm for horizontal and 25mm for vertical accuracy, which is suitable for non-cadastral surveying works such as engineering or monitoring works. Now, what are the considerations to be considered before carrying out photogrammetry works? The main consideration is the qualification of the drone pilot, including their experience in flying drone and the techniques that need to be acquired to ensure smooth landing and takeoff the drone. The next consideration is the law by the local authorities. At controlled airspace, some of the local authorities limit the maximum flying height of drones. This gives impact on the time and the average coverage, area of coverage when performing UAV surveying works. For example, in Malaysia, small drones of not more than 20 kilos cannot fly higher than 400 feet, which is equivalent to 122 meters, and it can be estimated of one baseball field. And this drone cannot fly within 5.5 kilometers from the airports or in areas where aircraft are operating. This includes government or military facilities where the aircraft are operating. The next factor is, before performing UAV survey, you need to know what's the weather condition. Rough weather conditions such as cloudy or foggy weather or even thunderstorm weather not only affect the quality of the results obtained, but also increases the chance of the drone loses its connection with its own ground controller. Therefore, weather conditions need to be considered when performing such survey works. The best weather for this kind of survey is a hot and sunny day. So, let's conclude what we have introduced. With proper planning and handling methods, drone survey can actually replace ordinary survey at tough terrain or hard to reach places such as overhead power cables. But this requires much more experience and exposure beforehand. Therefore, it is important to learn how to handle the drone before carrying out UAV surveys. I think that's all for me, and thank you. Goodbye.